Top 15 tips how to become a fashion blogger. Tips for beginners. If you are a fashion designer and want to cap it up with blogging, then this guide on how to become a fashion blogger is for you. It will give you insights on the do's and the don'ts of a good blogger. With fashion blogging, you can help people focus on quality clothes, stylish designs, modern fashion, current trends, styles, and many more. Without any much ado, let's dive into our 15 top 10 best tips how to become a fashion blogger as a beginner.
My name is Rufo Chifo, the CEO founder of HR and System. I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me which African country should I invest in. I therefore decided to create this. The unique business ideas for every African country. I also decided to create this other tool right here. It's called the African Business Startup BRAINBOX. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own copy.
Number 1, passionate startup. You need to be passionate about something before you could succeed. Talent is not just enough. You need to love doing it consistently. If you have passion, then you can enjoy your writing and making new friends and clients. Number 2, research keywords and write. You can use Google AdWords to search for keywords in your fashion niche business. Just use Google Planner tool. Writing an article on a high research keyword will help you to get a good amount of traffic to your blog. Number 3, be consistent. You can only be successful in what you do on a consistent basis. So you need to have a writing schedule. That is, when you should write and when you post an article on your page. If you do all of this, you will get triggered by Google search results. Number 4, write a draft. Writing is not so easy. So I will advise you first write all the things that come into your mind. Then think about the things that have to be edited and remove them. After refining your blog article, you can publish that article and share with your friends. Number 5, share photos. Apart from writing, you could also share photos of your work to impress your readers and intending clients. Photos can impress your readers in an amazing way. Number 6, focus on your content and personality. Try to build your content and personality. Once you do that, you will become a great fashion content writer and blogger. Number 7, simple writing. One problem is that some bloggers want to write in a complicated language that will give the readers problems to understand. Be yourself, be simple and write in the very simple language that people can understand. Number 8, trend versus your choice. To start with, write about yourself, your passion, your fashion, style, and trends. This is because most of your readers are only interested in knowing about you and your fashion sense. Number 9, tagging brands in articles on social media. Social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter has become a tool for marketing. Make sure you tag friends in your articles and also some big brands. Number 10, collaborating with other bloggers. If you have written and published like 100 articles, you can apply for other bloggers who are interested in collaborating with your blog. Share each other's articles and get their readers to follow you on your blog as well. Also, do follow backlinks to your blog. Number 11, creative blog layout. You need to hire the service of graphic designer and web developers to design and develop your blog so that your readers could have a wonderful experience when they visit. So you need to creatively design your blog layout to also attract lots of people. Number 12, invest in a good camera. Now you may wonder why you need a camera. The truth is that without a camera, you can't go far in fashion blogging because you have to deal with quality videos and photos. So, first tech gadget you have to buy is a good quality DSLR for your fashion blog. Number 13, respond to every comment. I know you will be very busy, but find time to reply to comments from your readers. By doing this, you build a lasting relationship with your readers, and you could also get big time clients from people that comment on your blog. Number 14, hire a graphic designer. Most times, you may need graphic works to illustrate your ideas. So you need to hire a graphic designer and web designer to work for you occasionally, who can help you bring your ideas into the limelight. Number 15, plan and set goals. Lastly, just write a plan. Set goals and start working on it. Follow your plan until you have done everything you set out to do. You can update your plan, but don't change your goal. There you have it, guys. Those were 15 tips on how to become a fashion blogger for beginners. Hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, leave us a thumbs up, like and share this video, and do not forget to drop us your comments on which topics you want us to do next. Don't leave this video without clicking on the subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
My name is Rufo Chifu, the CEO founder of HR System. I have been having a lot of questions from investors like you asking me which African country should I invest in. I therefore decided to create this, the unique business ideas for every African country. I also decided to create this other tool right here. It's called the African Business Startup BRAINBOX. Click on the links in the description box below and download your own copy. Hello guys, my name is Rufo Chifu and I'm the CEO founder of HR Systems. For a very long time now, I have been helping so many different potential investors invest in Africa, like set up their companies and do feasibility studies, do business plans, and also do other negotiations, okay? And in this video, I just want to introduce to you what I call the RCN. RCN stands for the Rufo's Consultants Network. Yes, if you're a consultant anywhere in Africa, you can join my network. Let's serve potential investors who want to do business in Africa, okay? I've been working with some countries already, but I want to expand this network and go beyond and like just cut across the whole of Africa so that we can serve them. So if you're in Malawi, so if you're in Malawi, if you are in Cape Verde, you are in Senegal, anywhere in Africa, and you have this business consultancy going on right here, then you can join my network. All you need to have is, number one, a registered business. Of course, I don't want to do business with anybody who is not legal, right? Your business has to be registered anywhere you are. Number two, you need to have a legal address, like a physical office, like where I am right now, right? Because investors wouldn't want to come to your country to do business with you and then you can't receive them somewhere that you can talk business, okay? So that's the second thing. If you want to join my network, the Rufus Consultant Network, you need to have a legal office, okay, physical office like this one. The third thing is, of course, you must know the business environment in your country, okay? Whatever country you are, Botswana, Namibia, Malawi, Cape Verde, wherever you are, you need to understand the business dynamics, how to get permits, how to register companies, how to get different types of licensing, how to do just anything, how to obtain business visas and get resident permits and all of that. I expect you to know all of this to your fingertips, okay? And then that's all. Believe me, I receive hundreds of requests on a daily basis, and I'm only based in Cameroon, right? I've been to a few African countries, but I need you out there to be doing the groundwork, and then we work together, okay? So right now, if you're watching this video and you have all the qualities, then join the RCN, which is the Rufus Consultants Network in Africa, okay? So all you need to do is send me an email, or you can contact me on WhatsApp or call me. Let's talk about this, okay? The number's on the screen, and just get that going. So let's change the script of Africa. Let's bring in more investors into Africa, right? Because you know what? I believe in Africa. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, I'm so happy to see your beautiful faces today. My name is Maureen, and if you're tuning to this video, know that you're blessed. I'm here to talk about positive vibration. Elevate Esteem has come up with creative tools to help us come out of our negative situations and vibrate positive vibes only. We have with us our positive vibration kit, which contains a positive vibration journal, a positive vibration pen, a t-shirt, and the positive vibration gift pack. Our positive vibration journal is just one aspect of a positive lifestyle. This journal is going to help you write down your thoughts and feelings without any judgment. We also have the positive vibration t-shirts like the one I'm wearing. We have copies of them here. This t-shirt is going to help you to vibrate positive energy wherever you go. Wearing this positive vibration t-shirts constantly reminds you of that positive soul and beautiful person you are. With the t-shirts on, anywhere you go to, everybody around you feels positive energy. Having a positive mindset is not magic. It doesn't mean that all your problems are finished. It only helps you to be able to solve your problems in a more productive way. My name is Maureen. Join me at Elevate Esteem. Let us together vibrate positive energy at higher frequencies. Positive vibrations only. Ciao!